Guys, what's up and welcome back. Today I am here with the unboxing of the most prettiest glasses I have ever owned. And open the box. This is the style Shirley and this is with anti-reflective coating, and look how pretty. They are so affordable and so stylish. The price for this is only $25.99. And I love the quality. They are super stylish, and the shopping experience when you go to the website is so amazing and so easy. If you wear a prescription glass, you can always upload it and choose the frame that you want and get it according to your style. But look at this. I mean, these are legit the prettiest frames I have ever owned. So the best part is because they're so affordable, you can have multiple frames and you can wear it on multiple occasions. Like at home you wear this, when you go out for style you can wear something else. So yeah, you can check out the link for the code in the description box below, and let me know which style you like, which style you picked, and I'm so excited for you guys to try these glasses.